Needs of animals. Like humans and plants, animals also need many things to live and survive. Do you want to know what they are? Let's find out. There are 4 basic needs of animals. They are: food. Animals need food to live and survive. Some animals eat green plants, while others also eat meat or flesh. Water. Water is an essential element for animals to stay alive and hydrated. Air. All living things need air to breathe. The air contains oxygen, which is essential for living. Lastly, all animals need a place to live, simply called a shelter. So kids, do you remember what animals need to survive? Name the needs. Well done! Thanks for watching the video.